Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Malcolm with Healthy Delicious Cooking. Just got back from Central Market, and man, let me tell you, I've never seen this in my life. Purple cauliflower, folks. Purple sweet potatoes. Now, these things are great for you. Got a few other things that I have here that I want to discuss. Got habaneros, got plantains, got starfruit, got cherry moyas, got persimmons. And in the back here, we got some wild crafted African sea moss. Now, that is the base of my diet, folks. So a little bit about sea moss and what it does for you. Very good source of fiber. If you have any thyroid problems, it helps out with thyroidism. It helps to rid all the mucus in your body. It helps to keep you healthy pretty much all year round. It's a very strong antioxidant. There's a few different ways that you can use it. I personally like to take this stuff and take the bag here, open this up, see what it looks like in there. Got a really nice seaweedy smell, but this is how it looks, guys. It's got a bunch of sea salt on it because it is actual sea moss. It's grown deep below in the sea. Hardly gets any sunlight, that's why it's that color. You got a bunch of different mosses. You got Irish moss, you got regular sea moss, got some purple moss. And this is what it looks like after it's been rinsed off. So I normally take it and rinse it inside of the sink for like about 5 minutes. Rinse it about 15 times because there's a bunch of sea salt in it. I really don't like it when it's very salty. So yeah, guys, you just take this, let it soak, and be careful to use a small amount because it's just like, noodles. When you soak them up, they're gonna soak up all that water and blow up to be more than what you thought it was. All right, guys, another thing, purple sweet potato. A lot of people eat russet potatoes, red potatoes, even regular sweet potatoes, but personally I like purple sweet potatoes. They're very good in fiber. They're very in sugars. They help to regulate the blood sugar. They're more healthier for the gut. A little less starchy. This is what they look like before you cut them, and of course, this is what they look like after you cut them. Now, guys, this thing, man, this is amazing. Like, look at that cauliflower. They've got yellow. They've got white. They've got purple. And I really don't know how they make this, but it's amazing. And what I really like about this stuff is anything that's kind of like dark purplish, or has this dark purple tint like this, you know that it's really heavy in antioxidants. So guys, this stuff is really good for you. With all these antioxidants in them. Just go ahead and bust that open so that way you can see what that looks like on the inside. Oh, that's pretty crazy, isn't it? Man, that looks amazing. It smells great. Can't wait to eat that. Now, habaneros, I like to take these and I like to cut them up, and whatever fish I'm going to be using for the night, or whatever we're going to be cooking, I take that and I kind of dice it up and I douse the fish with it. So here, guys, I got a whole red snapper. That's the head right there. Gonna make some fish head soup. Good stuff. And that's the body. You take that. I'm gonna fry that whole in this bag. I got a whole fillet of salmon. I guess that would look better if I take out the whole thing, right? Yeah, big boy. No game. Alright, guys, girls, this is a snapper. This is the body. Still got to clean all that out. But yeah, that's massive, man. That's huge. Alright, guys, so back to the fruit. Now, these persimmons and these cherry moyas, and I love to eat them in the morning. They're sweet, delicious, full of sugar. If you do push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, dips, whatever, this is a really good source of sugar to get you pumped in the morning. These things are really good. Guys, if you never tried these things, try the tropical fruit. They're really good. I love these star fruit. You don't even have to peel them. You can just pull the sticker off and just start eating right away like an apple. Alright, guys. Another thing I love to eat is asparagus. This stuff is loaded with antioxidants, it's loaded with nutrients, and man, it's really good for you. Take that, saute a little bit of it in the pot with some onions and a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of pepper. Got you a good meal there. Plantains, substitute for starches, you know, for rice, any other kind of potatoes, breads. These are really good for you. You can boil them. You can even put them in the oven. You can air fry them. You can fry them. I prefer to like boil these, so that way I get the best benefit. Reddish orange bell peppers. Red bell peppers. Solid red. Green bell peppers. Got some Thai chili peppers, y'all. Let's see what that looks like. Really good, guys. You can use this for a stir fry. Oh my gosh, really good. They're really not that hot. You won't even notice they're in there. You'll probably think they're green beans. Also, as I said before, habaneros, and they're really good for seasoning your meat, letting things marinate. You don't really have to eat these direct. No, you can decide to make salsa with these if you want to, but personally, I love mine on my meat. Got a little bit of Thai basil. Some really good stuff, guys. And this is all healthy. We got this from Central Market. So guys, go shop at your Central Market, man. They got a lot of healthy, nutritional things for you there. A big juicy black plum, guys. These things are delicious, man. Delicious snack. You can eat a few of these. Really good for the gut as well. Good antioxidant. Good source of sugar and fiber. Got some red beets, y'all. I like to take them and juice them in the morning. Make a really good smoothie with them, with the juice from them, and also with the gel from the sea moss. We're getting all of that soon. Got some stuff straight from the motherland. Got the thyme. Some really good herbs, man, for seasoning your food with. Really good. All right, guys, we also got the 7-grain salad with black beans and corn in it. Really good. It's got some quinoa in there. Good look at that. Oh man, it smells amazing. And we got some lemon scented jasmine blended rice. Really good for you guys. Good for the gut. It's white, it's bleached. It's not the healthiest form of rice, but it's got some really healthy stuff in there. I seen it at the Central Market, so I decided to pick some up. Got these two guys to make my fish tacos with. Now, if you follow my channel, you know that I don't like to eat tortillas really often. You know, when I do, it's gonna be an occasion, but if I make tacos, I'm gonna be using these big lettuce leaves. And last but not least, folks, I've got some dulce. This stuff is really good. You can use this in soups. You can use this in eggs. You can use this in salads. You can pretty much use it in any kind of foods that you eat on a daily that you don't have to cook, or you can cook with it. But guys, this stuff is really good, especially if you're vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian. You know, this is really good stuff to incorporate into your diet. It's red seaweed, and it's really good for the gut. It's got a lot of probiotics in it. It's really rich in antioxidants, and it just helps to promote overall health. I've been using this stuff for a very long time. So guys, it's a really good source of protein, really good source of iron, potassium, vitamins B6 and B12. Use this stuff. It'll improve your overall health daily. Can't forget the spinach. Guys, essential. This stuff is essential for you. You need to keep this in you. Don't just think this stuff is good for Popeye. Come on, guys. It's good for all of us. Really good. Spinach, tons of health benefits, especially for the gut lining, for the intestines, for the stomach, for the body. Good source of iron, potassium, and this stuff will make you strong too. So those were just a few things that I have, you know, in my daily diet, guys. You know, this channel is healthy, delicious cooking. So if you want to see me cook any of this stuff, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna cook it up, but we'll get to it. But yeah, this is crazy, y'all. Real crazy. All right, until next time. Peace.